It's a baby duck. Hello vlog. Good morning Monday. Have a blessed Monday everyone. Another day, another vlog. We're in the Philippines right now. Enjoying the weather, enjoying the environment. Yep. It's vacation in the Philippines. Summer break. Opo. Look at this. All the look at that, they're cute, they're beautiful. Oh, it's a lot. Oh boy, it's a lot. It's a baby duck. The baby duck is a lot, guys. Oh. Ang dami nila, oh. Saba-saba sila. Come on, guys. Go, 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 go. Flower at the backyard. Look at this weather. It's rainy last night. Seems like this. Yeah. It's cassava. Cassava leaves. Kamote leaves. Talbos. Nagana atuin. Singkamas. Langka leaves. Santo leaves. Avocado leaves. I don't know what's this trees. Yeah. Saluyot. That's the backyard. Ampalaya leaves. Ampalaya leaves. Ampalaya leaves. Saluyot leaves. Oh, tubo dag ito ni ada dakwada ni ada flower dan so they're gonna grow up. Grow. Once every summer mag-grow na yan kasi ano na may seeds na dyan maghuhulog. Kawayan leaves